The Oppo F19 has a sleek body and it features an AMOLED punch-hole display for an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games or reading e-books. It is available in midnight blue and prism black colors. The phone comes with a 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Oppo F19 has a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio for an uninterrupted viewing experience. With 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and 409 ppi pixel density, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. Oppo F19 features a 48-megapixel triple RAD camera and a 16-megapixel front camera. Powered by ColorOS 11.1 based on Android V11.4 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor. This phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone has a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery with 33 watts flash charging technology. The box includes handset, earphones, USB cable, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide and safety guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail